Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States. Renowned for its extensive selection of ice cream flavors, as well as cakes and other frozen desserts. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Baskin-Robbins, Baskin-Robbins, Bas, Kin, Rob, Bins, Baskin-Robbins. It is famous for its 31 flavors concept, which means customers can enjoy a different flavor every day of the month. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Baskin-Robbins, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.